It's the new go-to for hipsters, health freaks, and even the corporate hordes. It's kombucha, and the days of this being an alternate health drink are well and truly over. Today we're learning about Mojo Beverages, one of the leaders in this bubbling field of probiotic drinks, and we're going to meet them now. Andrew Buttery is the Director of Sales at Mojo Kombucha. He's been running the business for a long time after migrating over from the wine industry.
Beautiful.
You can't leave that little tuft in front.
Because you haven't shaved, you nearly might have to wear a beard then. That would just be my way of really getting you back.
For what?
For the fact that I've got to wear this on camera.
So Andrew, this is where the magic happens.
There's plenty of magic that happens here, mate.
How long have Mojo been here?
We've been here for about 8 years on this site, and then Anthony started brewing kombucha in his kitchen at home and then in his shed at home about 10 years ago.
Kombucha is thousands of years old and originates from ancient Chinese dynasties. The health benefits touted online are many, and anecdotally there are people who swear by kombucha as their longevity health tonic. It is filled with probiotic bacteria which have a significant impact on your digestive system health. I remember hearing about kombucha in the early days of my health journey, and people said it was like some sort of weird mushroom kind of drink, and it sounded really strange, but after I truly investigated it, I learned that it had nothing to do with mushrooms at all. It has everything to do with this guy here, because this is what makes kombucha possible. This is a Scoby, a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast. And although it feels a little bit strange, something wet and rubbery, it's actually just a cellulose membrane made by the billions of microbes which live on and inside of it. Tell me about the process of kombucha.
Well, you start with kombucha by making a huge pot of tea, basically, and different kombucha producers have different types of tea or blends of tea. We use a blend of green and black tea, and it's organic tea. So we brew up a big pot of tea, we steep it, and then we add organic raw cane sugar. After a period of time, we cool that tea down and we put it into a fermenter. The yeast starts to convert the sugar to actually a bit of alcohol, and these really good acids are produced. Acetic acid is a byproduct of the fermentation process, and good bacteria are produced. What distinguishes us is we finish it by adding, real fruit and real vegetables, real spices to the kombucha.
The success of Mojo Kombucha came on the back of a huge rise in interest of gut health and the microbiome, that is, how your gut microbes affect your overall health. It also came off the back of a lot of hard work on the part of the company and resulted in late 2018 in Mojo Beverages being acquired by industry giant Coca-Cola.
We're all working in this business because we want to enhance people's health and well-being. We're passionate about improving people's gut health and their overall well-being. And when we were a private company with private shareholders, we had access to a limited amount of capital to expand the business, and so we're only ever going to be able to distribute our products to a certain part of the market. And now with the influx of, or the partnership with Coke and the injection of capital and resources and expertise, and an incredible distribution network, we can now make our product available to many more thousands of Australians. The Coca-Cola company bought Mojo for the style of product that we make. That's what was one of the key things, and the quality of our product. And they don't want us to change it, because they know we've got a loyal base of consumers out there, and we want to grow that base of consumers. Why would we want to change the way that we're doing things?
It's exciting to see what was previously a boutique and somewhat esoteric industry really find its legs at a national level here in Australia. Now, we've still got a long way to go for true health and well-being to be available to everybody here in this country, but if the kombucha industry is anything to go by, then we're well and truly on the way. This tastes pretty good. See you guys. This was what it's like with me, Kale Brock, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and let us know what else you want to see on the show. Check out these other videos whilst you're here, and I'll see you again soon.